Pati nagsasalita, sumasabay. Ayan,
And now, let me thank you. Let me thank you from the bottom of my heart for choosing to make your home with us. This is the place. This is the place. A Global is the place where you can make your dreams come true. But this is also where you can help others reach their own goals as well. Here in your home,
Nagsi-sensor siya, Sir Francis, no?
may sensor.
Oo, as in, ang ganda tingnan.
you are asked to plan, to create the life you want. Because this is what home does for you. It gives you strength. It gives you courage. Wherever you came from and wherever you're going, please allow me to continuously say, welcome home. And so, my dear family, having said that home is beyond our notion of what it really is, let's be reminded of the old wisdom that charity begins at home. Let us not therefore be confined to the idea that home is just our own families. And let us extend ourselves outside of our own borders so we can create a bigger home.